Woohoo! You are now signed up for the YBR app. Let me show you how to search for a product. On the left side of your screen, you will see a ribbon with different options: product check-in, listings, orders, and analysis. Click on the product check-in to search for a product. In the text box, you can search using keywords, ASIN numbers, or UPCs. Look for a link in the comments of this video to find out what UPC and ASIN numbers are. I will walk you through a product lookup using keywords. Let's say you are interested in reselling a Breville espresso machine that you bought for $50. The smart YBR software will display the top 10 products matching your search. Click the correct product, and your product information, including product title, pricing, description, package dimensions, product opportunity, marketplace competition, and YBR score appears. Let's look at the product opportunity. This holds valuable reselling information like product demand, competition, number of units sold, number of ratings, average review, and sales rank in the Amazon marketplace. All of this information comes together to give you a YBR score. Wow, you cannot get all of that on a simple Google search. It looks like this espresso machine will do good in the marketplace with a YBR score of 4.1. Look and see what your competitors are selling this product at under marketplace competition. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Happy searching!